Welcome to the English news section of Diary Times. 12 professors who have completed 3-year contract service in Himachal got regular. Confederation Minister Pawan Mishra of the Federation has demanded a waiver from the government and the Director of Education regarding making of medicals to the spokesperson in view of the emergency of corona. He said that this formality can be completed if the circumstances are normal. CM Jairam Thakur could not attend the all-party meeting due to the bad weather. The decision will be taken after a cabinet meeting on Wednesday on the strictness of a lockdown in the state or the closure of the market for the last 3 days of the week amid in the ever-increasing crisis of corona epidemic. However, before taking a decision on the lockdown, the government will consult it in the first all-party meeting on Wednesday. The all-party meeting was to be held on Tuesday, but Chief Minister Jairam Thakur could not reach Shimla from Kangra due to bad weather. Therefore, an all-party meeting was held in the absence of the Chief Minister. Panchayat election will be held in Lahore Spiti on time. Technical Education Minister Ramlal Markanda said that the Panchayat election in Lahore Spiti would be held on time. Lockdown is not a solution. Decision will be taken only after seeing the situation. All the labourers are being examined in Kullu before entering the Lahore Valley. The district administration will also prepare a separate SOP for the pea, potato and apple season. Gardeners will be able to sell apples at home. Himachal government will open 4 sale centres. For Himachal's apple orchards, apples will be traded in 4 grocery markets in the coming season. With this, the gardeners of Kinnaur, Shimla and Outer Kullu will be able to sell apples near the houses. In addition to this, the gardeners will be able to avoid getting corona infection and being a victim of swindling in the outer grocery markets. Avalanche on Tandi Kardang Road. Driver buried in snow. Villagers saved their lives. Avalanche continues in Himachal Pradesh tribal district Lahore Spiti as temperatures rise. The avalanche occurred on Monday night in zone Lumpa under the Tandi Kardang Road. JCB was stationed here to restore the road in the drain. The JCB machine was submerged in the snow debris from the avalanche. The driver of JCB also got buried under the snow. 700 MBBS trainees will provide services in Himachal will get 3,000 honorarium. In view of the increasing cases of COVID in Himachal Pradesh following the instructions of the centre, the state government will also take services of medical trainees under the supervision of COVID patients. A spokesman of the health department said that apart from the contract, around 700 training students of MBBS in the 4th year will be given an additional honorarium of 3,500 rupees for this duty. Neuro diseases will be detected soon. Treatment will be possible in time. Mental disease will be detected soon and treatment will also be possible in time. Researchers at Indian Institute of Technology Mandi, Himachal Pradesh have devised a new technique for studying mental disorders. In this, with the help of a special tool, the function of the nerves and blood circulation of the brain can be assessed simultaneously. SBI to fill 5,121 posts. Golden opportunity for graduate youth to become clerk. State Bank of India has a golden opportunity for graduates to become a clerk. SBI has sought online application for the bumper recruitment of clerical posts. Applications for these posts will have to apply on the IBPS website. The last date to apply is May 17. Written examination will be conducted in the month of June. Examination centers will be set up in Hamirpur, Bilaspur, Kangra, Kullu, Mandi, Shimla, Solan and Una for the convenience of test-taking youth. 90% of Shimla, 50% hotels in Kullu, Manali and Kasoli are locked. Thousands of youth unemployed. The tourism business in Himachal has come to a complete standstill due to the second wave of corona. 50 to 90% of hotels in the state's tourist destination Shimla, Manali, Dharamshala and Dalhousie have been closed. The hotel operators have retrenched and sent the workers to leave. Due to the absence of the tourists, the 51-year-old hotel Gulmarg Regency in the capital Shimla has been closed. The 112-room hotel serves 40 employees who are currently sent on leave. Corona slows the pace of construction of AIIMS building. This year, the construction work of All India Institute of Medical Sciences at Kothipura in Bilaspur district of Himachal Pradesh has come under the shadow of Corona again. As of 31st March, about 58% of the construction work has been completed. The project is targeted to be completed by December 2021. If the situation is not normal, then in December 2021, the construction of building will not be completed. After the increasing cases of corona infection, only about 1,000 laborers are left in AIIMS. Paprola COVID Care Center equipped with modern facilities started. Dedicated COVID Care Center started in the new building of Paprola Ayurvedic Institute, Paprola, on Monday. Corona's first patient from Drug subdivision entered the care center on Monday morning. By 5 in the evening, more than half a dozen corona positive patients had been admitted to the center. Heavy rains lead to increased water level in the drain, damaged cowshed, 2 cars buried in debris, damage to crops as well. Heavy rains have caused havoc in Chamba district of Himachal Pradesh in the village Panchayat Palyur of the district. After the heavy rains at around 7 am on Tuesday morning, the water level in the Sahu Palyur drain suddenly increased drastically, which has created a flood-like situation. Corona positive including Himachal's cabinet minister Sarveen Chaudhary and family. The corona report of Himachal Pradesh Minister for Social Justice and Empowerment, Sarveen Chaudhary, and her family has come out positive. While sharing social media information, she wrote that today I and my family got their test done due to common symptoms of COVID epidemic, in which our report was found positive. She requested all the people who came in contact to get tested.
Pharmacy students will be able to apply by May 20. By May 30, late fees can be deposited in institutions with a late fee of Rs 300. By June 10, a late fee of Rs 500. The second, fourth semester and first year examination form of pharmacy can be submitted to the students by June 10 in the institutions without any late fee. 83,679 people beat corona in Himachal. Recovery rate reaches 78%. So far, 15,39,545 people have been tested for COVID in the state, out of which 14,24,035 people have received negative reports.
Anurag Thakur said PFA oxygen plants will be set up in Unna, Hamirpur and Bilaspur. Union Minister of State for Finance and Corporate Affairs Anurag Thakur has shared information about setting up of PFA oxygen plants in the three districts of Hamirpur Parliamentary Constituency, Unna, Hamirpur and Bilaspur. In view of severity of the corona disaster, Anurag Thakur said that the second wave of corona epidemic has taken a macular form. In such a situation, it is everyone's collective responsibility to keep themselves safe and come forward for anyone's help.
To get the English news in more details, please visit our website Diary Times. Till then, have a good day from Diary Times.